Welcome to our tutorial on how to add customer details to stops using the Zeo Route Planner. This is essential for accurate deliveries and effective communication. Let's get started. First, create a route by adding all the necessary stops. Click the plus icon to begin creating your route. You can add stops either manually or by importing them. For guidance on importing stops from Excel, please refer to our tutorial on that topic. Once the stops are added, click on a stop to view its details. A drop-down menu will appear, showing various pieces of information, including customer details. In this menu, you can add the following customer details. Customer name. This is crucial for addressing the customer correctly and is also used in customized location sharing messages. Phone number. Vital for contacting the customer during delivery or pickup, and for sending live location updates directly to their phone. Email address. Important for sending location updates to the customer's email. Fill in these details as needed, then click Save to update the stop with the new customer information. And that's it. The customer details are now updated for the stop, and this information will be accessible to the driver once they start the route. Thanks for watching.